Hi friends, welcome to Excel Festive. In this video we are going to see how to use the logical operator AND function and OR function by using the if formula. See here I have given all the student name and the three subject I have given like digital systems, control system and electronic systems, and below that those students marks has been registered. Now the total has been calculated by using the sum formula in the total column. Okay, for all those three subject, how much is the total is calculated by using sum formula in the total column. Now we are going to get the result by using the logical operator AND by using the if formula. For that what we have to do, I am using the formula equal to if open parenthesis and the function I am going to use is AND. Okay, I have mentioned AND and then the open parenthesis. Now what we are going to do, we are going to select the cell of the marks, each marks. Okay, now I am selecting the digital systems marks. If this mark is greater than or equal to 35, assume 35 is a pass mark. Okay friends, see this mark digital system is greater than or equal to 35 comma, next condition what I am giving, control systems mark, that cell is greater than or equal to 35 and comma, and the third mark I am going to apply electronic systems. Okay, that mark, that cell I will select and greater than or equal to 35. If all the three subject mark is greater than or equal to 35, I want the result as pass. See here each condition I have given, all has to be greater than or equal to 35 because 35 is a pass mark. Okay, and function will check all the three condition, and if all the three condition is true, then what I want the result as pass. Okay, comma, double quotation I am mentioning here pass, PASS, and double quotation close. Now comma, if any one of the condition, if any one of the mark is less than 35, so it is false, right? So at that time what I want the result is, in double quotation I am mentioning fail and double quotation close and giving the close parenthesis. Okay, once I press enter, see here fail, the result is fail because see the second mark, first it's check it is greater than or equal to 35, 77 is greater than 35. Okay fine, the second mark is less than 35, right, 33, so it's fail. So the in AND function it will check all the three condition, and all the three condition is true, and then only it will go to the true pass. Okay, if any one of the function is false, then it will return fail. Okay friends, see here I am double clicking the formula in the next cell also. See in the second mark full, all are pass, greater than or equal to 35, so we are getting the result as pass. Okay, the same thing it is happened to the next row also. Here the second subject is fail, less than 35, so wherever I have mentioned the red color, all are fail, so it is giving the result as fail by using the AND function. Okay, I hope you got this very well, and let's see how to use how to get the result with OR function. I am going to use the same formula equal to if open parenthesis. Now we are going to use the logical operator OR. Now I will open the parenthesis again for OR operators. Now we are going to select the digital system first mark. Okay, now this mark is less than, now I am giving less than 35. If this first mark is less than 35, next I am giving another condition, the second mark, for that also I am mentioning less than 35, and the third mark I am selecting electronic systems less than 35. Okay, if in our function what it does is, it will check all the three condition, and if any one of the condition is true, it will return the pass, sorry, it will return fail now. Okay, see here it will check all the three condition, if any one of the condition is less than 35, I want the result as fail, so comma, double quotation I am mentioning here fail. Okay, now I will mention fail, I will close the double quotation comma, if the condition is, all the OR condition is false, then I want the result as pass. For that what I am going to do, in double quotation I will mention pass. Okay, OR condition is, if any one of the given condition is true, it will match that, which it will give the result as fail. Okay, see OR condition I have given, the second mark is less than 35, right, so one of the condition is true, so if it is true, what we want the result as fail, that one we have given at the first, right, so we are getting the fail as the result. Now the same formula I am going to copy to rest of the cells. It will give the result based on the marks. See here, I have copied the rest of the formula in the other cells, and see here, wherever I have red color, all the red color marks are failed, so it's matching all those. Okay, by using the logical operator AND and OR. This is how you have to use the AND operator and OR operator by using the if formula. Okay friends, it's very easy, and this can be more helpful for you in the future videos also. In advanced Excel, you have to use most of the formulas by using AND OR, like these formulas. Okay friends, I hope you guys like this video. If you really like this video, please press the like button, and please share with your friends so that someone will be helpful by seeing this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next wonderful video. Bye.